Hello, good day ma'am, sir. I am Laarni Bangibang Datu, 28 years old, and I am currently residing at my parents' house here in Rizal, Kalinga, Philippines. I have a live-in partner and we have 2 sons. My firstborn son is 8 years old and my second son is 4 years old. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I worked before as a house helper at Tabuk City, Kalinga, Philippines last 2021 to February 2024. I took care of a 1-month-old baby girl. I also do the household chores like cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and I also cook local dishes. And if given the chance to work in Hong Kong, I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods and other delicacies. I am good at following instructions. I can also sing baby songs and lullabies like "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away." Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you will find me suitable to work with you and your family, and I promise to do my very best with love and care. Thank you, ma'am, sir.